Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be discussing about the second kind of equation, which is the point slope form, right? Now we have already discussed this first kind in the previous video, if you remember. So here, what is special about this form? It is given that we are given with two things. First of all, we are given with a point which would be a fixed point, right? Its values would be some constant quantities. And another thing that we were given is the slope of the equation. If these two things are known to us directly, then we can apply this form of straight line to have the equation of straight line. So let's discuss what is the form actually and how we can obtain this and make use of this kind of form to solve our questions. Fine. Okay, so talking about this point slope form, here suppose we have some straight line which is not either horizontal or vertical, right? So if we are given one fixed point and one slope, then what should be done in order to obtain the equation of line? So for that, we are already given with this point P0, which we are defining its coordinates by x0 and y0, and it is given that the slope of this line is small m, right? Now we have to derive first of all the equation for this point slope form. Fine. For that, what we do, we consider another point capital P having coordinates small x and small y, right? Now this point could vary. It could be somewhere here, it could be here, it could be here. So basically taking the general form of it represents that we are considering all the points. Because it is it has coordinates which are variable in nature, right? So taking an arbitrary point here, P of xy, now we wanted to calculate the equation of straight line. For that, we know the formula to calculate the slope of line using 2 points. Now one point is already given to us, another one we have considered to be this arbitrary point P of x comma y. So then you, by the 2-point form of slope, you can calculate the slope y minus y0 upon x minus x0, right? And in the question it is given to be equal to small m, correct? So therefore, using this condition here and rearranging the terms, shifting this x minus x0 to the right hand side, multiplying it by m, we obtain this equation y minus y0 is equals to m multiplied with x minus x0. Here this y and this x, they are arbitrary, they can take any value, right? They will remain as such, and this y0 x0, they are given to be some constant quantities. So basically y0 x0 and m, they are numbers which would be given to us. Fine. So this is the required equation of the straight line, and using this point slope form. Now to get a better picture of what we have studied, let's look at this example. We are to find the equation of the line through this point minus 2 comma 3 and the slope minus 4. Fine. So these three things are given to us. So that means the value of x0 is minus 2, the value of y0 it is 3, right? The value of m, it is minus 4. So you can put all the values here into this equation and then solve for x, you get your required equation. I hope this method is clear to you. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.